You're not going to believe this. I actually lost my phone. So I'm hoping that it's just up here. Now I was using it for the navigation a couple of minutes prior, and I went into the house and I came out and I thought somebody had stolen it. But then when I checked my GoPro, it wasn't on here. So it could have fallen off anywhere along the highway coming to here. More likely just here, but no, not even here. Not even here. Damn it. How the hell could I lose my phone? How pathetic is that? I mean, that's sad. I was using it. What I'll do, I'll just review some footage. So we're just coming up to the job at Doolandalla. Now, we're not sure exactly where it is, but we'll have a look. It was right here, so I started looking for it, but I couldn't find it, and some Indian people over there said, oh no, we have your phone here. So they tried to ring it. As you can see there, it's really not so good. She's buggered. Doesn't matter, someone's run over it as well, but it's all good. This is why you have that and this. So a bit of a lesson to you: stick that bloody thing on and you won't have the same bloody problem I had. Unbelievable. Oh well, I'm due for a new phone anyhow, so what can I say? All we got to do is just look for the house, I suppose. Now we're in the street that we need to be in. Doesn't look good. Don't know. Who knows? So what we got to do a U-turn here and a 400 kilo bike. Piece of cake. Paddington Street. That sounds like where we want to be. But then it said something about a lane. Highgate Lane. Okay. Now let's have a look down there, I suppose. And I think I found it. What a mess. absolute shocker. So you never know what you're going to come across.